Welcome to our channel. If you love cutting-edge tech, AI breakthroughs, and global stories the mainstream ignores, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and like this video to stay ahead with underreported science, tech, and world news, past, present, and future. Got questions or comments? Please drop them in the comments section below. We will read and respond to everyone. Let's dive in.
Harnessing Creativity with Grok.com, a comprehensive guide to image generation, editing, video animation, and offline assembly introduction. Says Grok.com is a multimodal creative engine that turns words into photorealistic images, refines your personal photos with surgical AI precision, animates stills into cinematic clips complete with synchronized sound, and empowers you to stitch everything into polished longer videos, all from a single chat window. At its core is Grok Imagine, driven by the Aurora autoregressive model, which predicts interleaved text and imagery at unprecedented speed and fidelity. As of November 2025, every feature is free to try on Grok.com, with daily quotas, while Super Grok and X Premium Plus unlock unlimited generations. This video walks you through a seamless, end-to-end workflow. As of November 2025, Grok supports real-time multilingual interaction across over 50 languages, including Arabic, Bengali, Chinese, simplified and AMP, traditional, Dutch, English, French, German, Hebrew, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Brazil and AMP, Portugal, Russian, Spanish, Latin America and AMP, Spain, Swedish, Thai, Turkish, Ukrainian, Vietnamese, and 40+ more via automatic detection and translation. Whether you're prompting in Hindi, editing in Arabic, or animating in Japanese, Grok understands context, style, and technical terms with native-level fluency. Simply type in your preferred language, no flags, no settings, no translation apps needed. The interface, outputs, and downloaded files remain consistent regardless of language. This essay walks you step by step through the full creative pipeline, in any supported language, from text to image to polished video, with optional offline assembly in Filmora Wondershare. Text to image from scratch. Upload and edit personal photos. Image to video animation with audio. Clip chaining, both inside Grok and offline using Filmora Wondershare on your computer. Whether you're crafting viral X threads, marketing reels, or personal short films, Grok supplies the raw firepower, you supply the vision. 1. Creating images from scratch with Grok Imagine. Log in at Grok.com with your X account. The chat window doubles as your canvas. Free users get roughly 3 media prompts per day. Super Grok lifts all limits. To summon an image, type Imagine, followed by a structured prompt. Imagine normal. A lone astronaut floating above Mars at sunset, cinematic lighting, 4K, 16:9. The prompt follows a simple recipe. Mode right pointing arrow, subject right pointing arrow, action. Setting right pointing arrow, style right pointing arrow, technical specs. Grok supports 4 creative modes, each toggling a distinct flavor: normal, photorealistic, and balanced. Fun, playful distortions and meme-ready absurdity. Custom, your exact style reference. Spicy, edgy, or NSFW, opt-in, 18+ only. Within seconds, Grok returns 4 JPG variations at 1024x1024, or any aspect ratio you flag with AR916, AR1:1, etc. Hover to enlarge, then download your favorite with a single click. Iterate instantly. Reply, regenerate with warmer tones, or make the sky stormy and add lightning. Grok remembers context, evolving the scene without resetting. 2. Uploading photos and AI-powered editing. Click the paperclip icon to upload a JPG, PNG, or WebP, up to 20 megabytes, drag and drop from your desktop, paste a URL, or pull from your phone's camera roll via the Grok mobile apps. Once uploaded, Grok displays the image and asks, "What would you like to change?" Now dictate surgical edits in plain English. Remove the background and replace it with a neon Tokyo street at night. Change the red jacket to emerald green, golden hour lighting. Add a cyberpunk visor to the subject's face. Keep expressions natural. Grok handles inpainting, erasing and filling seamlessly, outpainting, extending borders, and style transfer. Render as an oil painting by Van Gogh. Each command yields up to 4 edited variants. Download the best or refine further. 3. Creating short video clips from images. Start with any Grok-generated image, an uploaded photo, or an edited result. Type, "Animate this. Gentle ocean waves rolling in, 10 seconds, ambient seagulls and soft wind." You control every parameter in natural language. Duration, 8 seconds, or max length. Aspect ratio, 9:16 vertical, or 16:9 cinematic. Motion, slow zoom in, parallax drift, character walking. Audio, epic orchestral swells, rain on window, or silent. Grok delivers an MP4 clip at 720p 1080p and 24 fps, complete with native, auto-synced audio. 4 soundtrack variants appear. Pick one and download instantly. Free users are capped at roughly 3 video generations daily. Premium Plus removes the ceiling. 4. Combining clips into longer videos. Grok offers 2 complementary paths to break the 15-second ceiling. Path A. In Grok Sequential Extension, AI-driven. Generate Clip 1, Sunrise over Mountains. Download its final frame as a PNG. Upload that frame and command. Extend from this frame. Hiker reaches summit, flag waves, 12 seconds, triumphant music. Repeat for 3 to 5 clips. Batch Combine, Beta. Combine these 4 clips into a 45-second montage with smooth crossfades and unified soundtrack. Native chains top out around 30 to 45 seconds, and audio continuity can occasionally drift. Path B. Download plus local editing, professional control. This is the power user workflow. Let Grok churn out raw assets, then polish locally. Generate an AMP. Download every clip, e.g., clip 01_sunrise.mp4, clip 02_hike.mp4. Open Filmora Wondershare, or any editor, on your PC, Mac. Drag all MP4s into the media library and arrange on the timeline in story order. Layer Filmora's professional tools. Transitions right-pointing arrow cross dissolve between mountain shots. Speed ramping right-pointing arrow slow motion summit reveal. Color grading right-pointing arrow unified cinematic LUT. Text overlays right-pointing arrow title cards and subtitles. Royalty-free music right-pointing arrow replace or layer over Grok's audio. Voiceover right-pointing arrow record narration in-app. Export at 4K or 1080p as H.264 megapixels 4. Ready for YouTube, X, or Instagram Reels. Filmora's drag-and-drop simplicity, AI autocuts, and built-in effects make it the perfect companion to Grok's raw speed. Full workflow example. Journey to the Peak, 2-minute short film. Grok.com right-pointing arrow Imagine. Misty Mountain at Dawn, 16:9 right-pointing arrow download. Grok.com right-pointing arrow Animate. Slow drone rise over valley, 12s, birdsong right-pointing arrow download. Grok.com right-pointing arrow upload hiker photo right-pointing arrow edit. Place hiker on trail right-pointing arrow animate. Grok.com right pointing arrow generates 6 sequential clips. Sunrise right pointing arrow, hike right pointing arrow, rest right pointing arrow, summit right pointing arrow, flag right pointing arrow, pullback. PC right pointing arrow. Import all 6 megapixels 4s into Filmora. Filmora right pointing arrow. Add crossfades, color grade, epic music, title card. Export right pointing arrow 1080 pmp4 right pointing arrow. Share on X with hashtag Grok created. Best practices and AMP tips. Be hyper-specific in prompts. Golden hour side lighting. Beats. Nice light. Name clips sequentially. Scene 01_sunrise.mp4 for easy timeline sorting. Mute Grok audio in your editor if swapping in licensed tracks. Plan high priority generations on free tier. Use premium for unlimited drafts. Watermark AI content and obtain consent before editing real faces. Conclusion. Grok.com collapses the gap between imagination and finished media. A single line of text becomes a photorealistic image. An uploaded selfie becomes a cyberpunk portrait. A still frame becomes a living, breathing clip with sound. From there, you can chain clips natively or download them into Filmora Wondershare for Hollywood-grade stitching, grading, and scoring. The future of personal filmmaking is here. Zero cost entry, studio-grade output, total creative control. Log into Grok.com, type your first imagine, and watch your story unfold. One AI-powered frame at a time.